Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the November Boxycharm. What is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box where you receive 4 to 5 full-size items, sometimes more, every month for $21. And there's a possibility if you'd like to upgrade to Boxylux, you can get that every third month. And what that is, you get 10 or more full-size beauty products for $49.99. The $21 you pay for the regular subscription plus $28.99. So it's a total of $49.99. So November was regular Boxycharm month, so I received the regular Boxycharm. And I have 2 subscriptions, and they both were exactly the same. And I got variation 3 was my variation. The theme for this month was Gold Digger. And let's go and see what we had in our November Boxycharm. Okay, our first item were some Lashaholic lashes, and these are cruelty-free silk lashes. The band is silk, and I have them on today and they look amazing. The band is very soft, easy to apply. I think they look really glamorous. The ones I have tight or Instaglam, and they're $14.99. And you should be able to reuse them more than one time, hopefully more than 2 times. My second item is the Ace Beauty palette, which I have on my eyes. And I really was surprised with this palette. First of all, I love the color of the shades. Beautiful colors all over my lid. That's this matte color down here. Looks like this. I used that all over my lid, and then I used this to define my eyes in my outer V, and that color, that burgundy color, is called Poppy. And then I used Clove to blend it in, and Clove is this color up here, this orangey color up here. And then for a pop of pink, I came back and put, oh sorry about that, I put this pink, bright pink color called Rose, like up here, just blended it in. And then on my lid, I put my outer color just on the edge, and then I came back with Myrtle in the center of my lid, and then in my inner part of my lid, I put Jasmine. Myrtle is this color here, and Jasmine is this color at the top. I love all these colors. Beautiful palette, and it sells for $25. I mean, that's a great price for this palette. And I've seen some of their other palettes online on Instagram, and they all have really nice color stories. I mean, they whoever's picking the shades to go with each other, they work well with each other. Sometimes you get a palette and you think, what am I going to do with this palette? I like colors that I can work with, you know, that aren't hard to put together. Our next item is a set of brushes from Luxie. From Luxie is the Luminous Eye Set. And I forgot about them while I was doing my eye look, and I didn't use them. These are worth $21, and they're very, I like the handles. It's very cute. 141 you use to smoke out your lower lash line. 121 you can use for your crease, to blend out your crease. Now, the bad thing about this, I feel like I'm getting glitter all over my hands, so you might want to wash them first right out the pack, because you'll have glitter all over your face. 111 is an angle brush, and it's used to blend out harsh lines, or you can use it to put cream products on your lid. Now they say the lasts brush is brush number 131 is another angled brush, and you can use this to blend color into your crease or put a pop of color under your eyebrow, which we're going to use in just a second. Okay, and our next product is a black eyeliner, and it's from the Jean Bleu Gliding Store eyeliner, and it's long-lasting, intense black color. I used it in my waterline, and I also used it on top, and this one works pretty good compared to the last one we got. I didn't really like, but this one I think worked really well. It's real intense. The star of the show is the last product. It's the Cover FX Glitter Drops. This is in the color Nova. I also have these in the color Aurora. I had gotten a sample months ago and loved how it looked in my foundation. So these are $44, these drops. And I wanted to show you how you could use these in 5 different ways. The first way is in your foundation. I use the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth foundation, and it doesn't have a pump, so it's very hard. I just pour a little out at a time, and I put like 3 drops of this in it, and it kind of gives you just a glowy look. So that's one way. The second way you can use them is, I'll use these this time. I'll put a little drop here. You can use them on your cheeks as a highlight. You just dab it. I don't want to put too much, but you just dab it. You can kind of do like a little C and just rub it in. I think with a beauty blender it would be nice to use too, because I have a little bit too much there. But you see, you don't need a lot, but look how pretty that looks. And you do like a like this side, you would do like a backward C. You could kind of bring it up to your eye here. The second way, you can use it to highlight your lid of your eyes as an eyeshadow on the lid. You just put a pop of color. I'll use it in the middle here. Look how pretty that is. And then you could also, if you wanted, put it under your eyebrow as a little touch of highlight. And then of course you could put it in your inner corner. If we go on there, we might as well just put it in our inner corner. We'll just call this one way to use it on the eyes. Just don't get it in your eyes, whatever you do. You can use it on your lips. Let's see, we got in the foundation as a highlight, on the lid, on the lips, and I guess you could call under the eyebrows and in the inner corner. That's like 6 ways almost. But I would just take it and just dab it. Right in the middle, and then on top. You don't want to put too much. Like that. And let me put a little highlight on this side. But that's several ways you can use it on your face and get a lot of use from this. I know these come in several colors. But I tell you what, this was a box, amazing box. My favorite, these lashes, look at them. They're beautiful, gorgeous lashes For $14, these are worth it. You can reuse them. And then this, I love. The brushes, I wish they'd give us, instead of cheap brushes, give us one nice brush. Like that Pro Luxy foundation brush we got in the September Boxy Lux. I'd rather something like that, like one good brush. This, it was okay. But how much is this worth? I don't remember. $5. So is it worth $5? Yes. It's comparable to drugstore eyeliner. You know, I love this. This box was amazing. And the total value of this box was $109.98 for $21. Is it worth it? Heck yeah. I think Boxycharm is exceptional. I think it's worth it right now. If it stays like it is, especially with the box coming up in December. So if you're not a Boxycharmer, you might want to consider it. I'll keep all the links below. If you want to use my link, thank you. I appreciate it. If not, I'll put the Boxycharm.com link. That's all you got to do is go to Boxycharm.com. And thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I could use you in my family of charmers and subscribers.